We've all been there. You stumble upon a forgotten treasure in the back of your drawer, a vintage bottle of perfume, its label faded with time. You excitedly spritz it on, only to be met with a shadow of its former glory. The once captivating scent now resembles a faint whisper, leaving you wondering if the magic is truly gone. The truth is, perfumes, like all good things, are not immune to the passage of time. Their intricate blends of aromatic molecules are sensitive to light, heat, and air, which can cause them to break down and lose their potency. This process, known as oxidation, is the primary culprit behind that disappointing perfume gone bad smell. But don't despair. Just because a perfume has lost its initial sparkle doesn't mean it's destined for the trash bin. With a little TLC and some clever techniques, you can often revive your old perfumes, breathing new life into their fading scents and rediscovering the joy they once brought. Restoring the vibrancy of an old perfume is akin to awakening a sleeping beauty. It requires a delicate touch, a keen understanding of its composition, and a dash of creativity. The goal is not to completely transform the fragrance, but to gently nudge it back towards its original character, revealing the nuances that may have been muted by time. This revival process can be as simple as tweaking the way you store your perfumes, or as involved as experimenting with DIY blending techniques to enhance specific notes. Regardless of your approach, the key is to proceed with care and patience, treating your perfumes with the respect they deserve. Remember, reviving an old perfume is a journey of rediscovery, a chance to reconnect with a beloved scent and perhaps even uncover hidden facets you never noticed before. So, embrace the adventure and prepare to unlock a world of olfactory delights. Before we delve into the secrets of perfume rejuvenation, let's first understand the enemies we're up against. By identifying the common culprits behind fragrance degradation, we can take proactive steps to protect our precious perfumes. As we touched upon earlier, oxidation is public enemy number one. Exposure to air triggers chemical reactions that break down the delicate perfume molecules, altering their scent profile. Heat and light accelerate this process, essentially cooking the fragrance and leading to a loss of its top notes, the initial, fleeting scents that create the first impression. Improper storage is another major offender. Storing perfumes in damp bathrooms, leaving them in direct sunlight, or exposing them to extreme temperature fluctuations can all wreak havoc on their delicate balance. Lastly, contamination can also play a role. Using unclean atomizers, transferring perfumes to different bottles, or even just the natural process of evaporation can introduce impurities that alter the scent over time. Now that we've identified the enemies, let's equip ourselves with the knowledge to combat them. Here are a few simple yet effective techniques for breathing life back into your old perfumes. The power of darkness. Just like vampires, perfumes despise sunlight. Store your fragrant treasures in a cool, dark place, away from direct light and heat sources. A drawer, a closet, or even a dedicated perfume fridge are all excellent options. Temperature control is key. Extreme temperature swings can disrupt the delicate balance of a perfume's composition. Aim for a consistent, cool temperature, avoiding areas prone to fluctuations, such as bathrooms or windowsills. Air is the enemy. Minimize air exposure by ensuring your perfume bottles are tightly sealed when not in use. Consider transferring small amounts of your favorite scents into travel atomizers to reduce the amount of air in the original bottle. DIY blending magic. Experiment with enhancing specific notes in your old perfumes by adding a drop or two of essential oils. For instance, a drop of bergamot essential oil can brighten up a fading citrus perfume, while a touch of vanilla can add warmth and depth to an oriental fragrance. Remember to start with a small amount of essential oil and test the blend on a piece of paper before applying it to your skin. Thank you for joining this dive into the science of reviving perfume notes. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert insights into the world of high perfumery. Until next time, may your senses be ever inspired.